When I say I want something quick and cute, this is exactly what I'm talking about. I finally was able to achieve the jumbo method, my type 4 natural girlies. Let's go. If you want to see how I got these jumbo Marley twists, stay tuned.
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.
Hey loves, it's TG for short, not the long way. Today I'm back with another Watch Me Work, and we're doing the long boho jumbo Marley twist. Getting straight into it, I'm using the Cuban twist Marley hair. This is the hair that I use majority of my head. I only use the spring twist hair for 2 twists in the front. I use the locking gel for my edge control. For the boho curls, I showed this hair, but I never end up using this pack. This is the pack that I use, the outre hair. I end up only using these packs for my curly pieces. Jumping into the section and portion, I was going for jumbo part, and in the end goal, I wanted it to be between 12 to 21 parts, and I ended up doing 20 in total. So thankfully I was able to finally do jumbo this time, because anytime I try to do jumbo, I always do more than the part that I'm trying to do. But peep the part. It's giving crisp in the beginning, but gonna tidy it up on this side right here. This is the back row that I'm doing, my first row, and I'm splitting it into 3 sections. Don't mind the white residue, that's gonna go away. I did a hot oil treatment prior to pre-parting my hair. Here's after the first row. Now I'm moving forward to the second row. In total, I did have 5 rows. Like I said, I wanted to keep it jumbo, and I wanted to make the parts as clean as possible. I said 5 rows, but really I'll say 4. In this next clip, I was jamming.
We don't have to worry about the money. You better talk. We don't have to leave in the money.
Either I'm watching something or I have to have a good tune going. Something has to be going while the hair is getting done, because this is definitely going to be a process. Here's my back completed. I just have the 2 rows in the front to do. I ended up splitting those rows into 3 sections a piece, because 2 a piece just looked too big. So I decided to go with 3 a piece. Right here I had 3 on one side. I was going to do that side the exact same. Here I was still jamming. Now I'm finishing off the section and portion of my hair, and here is how my hair looks after I section it off and put it into Bantu knots, just for it to be clean and easy for me to access each section. Right here I have my hair section off the boho strands, and then here's the Cuban twist Marley hair that I use for majority of my head. Starting off in the back of my head, I put some of the locking gel on my root. Afterwards, sectioning my hair off into 3 sections to start a braid, so I can add the Cuban twist Marley hair to the root for a tighter finish, and just braid down 3 to 4 times, and then begin to twist so I can add the boho hair. I'm adding in the boho strand and twisting it with the Cuban twist Marley hair, and then pulling it out from the Cuban twist Marley hair, and just, you can clip it away. I just used my mouth at the time because that's just what's easier. I'm doing my own hair, but I clip it away. I do both, and I just continue to twist down and then just clip away each boho piece that I put on there, and I just continue to twist. And once I'm at the end of a twist, I just add in the boho hair. I did knot the ends of my boho twist because sometimes some of them were unraveling, so I do suggest doing just like a small knot with the boho strand and the Cuban twist Marley hair, just to secure it. Here's the back completed. I have 1 more in the top back row to just do. And yeah, so far I was really loving how the twists were coming out. It was giving very natural, and I know the older this style gets, the more I'ma love it even more. I love the way Marley hair looks the older it gets. But right here I'm at the top, and I'm feeding in the Cuban twist Marley hair like I said, and braiding down 3 to 4 times, and just starting a twist and adding the boho piece to my hair. And at the top I was twisting it in as well, but also too just adding in the pieces randomly, twisting it in, feeding it off, and then just twisting down and continuing to do the same thing to each twist. When adding in the Cuban twist Marley hair, I feed it in the same way and just continue to twist and tighten the twist at the root just so it can stay tight. And at the end, adding the curly piece, I just twist down. And this is why I say knot it at the end, just so it can stay secured and won't move or come out. Here's once the 2 rows at the top is almost done. This is me putting it up. I'm starting to like it. I love the way it looks. It's just very natural. And this is when I was at my last 2 right here. I'm feeding it in at the root and continuing to twist and add the boho pieces. This style in total took between 2 to 3 hours. And that's the part that I love about it too. I wanted the jumbo style to be quick and easy, because most of the time when I say I'm doing jumbo styles, I never end up doing jumbo like how I was anticipating. And this time I actually accomplished it. And I want to try this with braids as well, because I didn't think I'll be able to do big parting with my hair. So I really enjoyed doing this, and it's just let me know that I can achieve the jumbo style, the quick and easy that I'm looking for. On my final twist of the front section, I'm just adding it at the root and braiding down and just beginning to twist. I did want to add more boho hair to the front, but I didn't add as much to the front, but I still love the end result. For these 2 pieces in the front, I did use the spring twist hair. This is where I used the spring twist hair in the front. Here is my head completed before adding the oil and mousse, and it is a very low tension, not tight to the scalp. I was just putting it up, maneuvering it. Here's the mousse that I use and the oil that I sprayed on my scalp, and I'm just spraying it on my roots and the hair just to give it a little shine and adding the mousse. And then I'm gonna also blow dry after I add the Gots to Be. But this is definitely going to be one of my go-to styles. I love the way this turned out. It's very easy, low tension, affordable. I love the way this came out. I'll be back with another one. It's a whole lot of peace, love, and dopeness.
Give me a run for my money. There is nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. She's lovely. I wanna be with you. 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 Just love me.
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.